Hey, what's up guys? It's Heron.
And Haven.
How do you cook pork adobo? On this video, we will show you how to cook the simplest, easiest Filipino dish ever. Pork adobo.
Let's get to it. Hit the intro.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. I'm Haven.
Wait.
I'm Heron.
I'm Haven.
We got it right this time. But anyway, today I will be cooking chicken adobo. No, wait. Pork adobo. We're gonna cook pork adobo today, not chicken. Pork adobo. I went to Great Wall. It's an Asian store out here in
It
Maryland.
took forever to get back.
Yep, took forever. Actually, I got back with your Doritos.
He gave me Doritos to be in this video.
Exactly.
So.
Well, you know, you had to bribe her in order to be in my video. Went to Great Wall out in Germantown, Maryland. They have so much stuff to cook in there. So tell me on this video, put down on the comments on what type of Filipino food you would like me to cook next time.
Don't actually do. We're actually gonna take ourselves.
What? She is going to pick it for us.
I am.
You are?
Okay, sure.
You sure?
Yeah.
We love vegetables. Maybe we can cook.
He loves
Oh,
vegetables.
but you don't like vegetables?
He likes vegetables.
I do like vegetables. I'm trying to make her eat some vegetables, but I guess, you know, she's like a ninja. She can go like this.
No, I'm just that one kid.
What? What one kid?
That one kid that never eats vegetables at a school meetup.
What? I thought you liked carrots.
Corn is the only acceptable vegetable.
I guess corn is a vegetable. Is it vegetable or is it a fruit?
It doesn't have any seeds, so
What? Corn? The actual corn kernel is a seed.
Google.
Okay, so while she's Googling if corn is a vegetable or a fruit, let me tell you something about adobo. So adobo is actually born out of necessity. Vinegar based, no refrigeration. You can preserve it for longer time. That way you can eat it during breakfast, lunch,
We basically eat it every day.
and dinner. Yep.
Because it's that
And then
good.
the following day, you can again cook it. Now, if you have leftovers, you can fry rice with your adobo sauce.
Get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action. What we can be.
Anyway, Haven, so what's up? What is corn?
Corn is a vegetable.
No way.
Oh, yes, it is.
Is it? So it's vegetable?
Yeah.
Alright guys, pork adobo. We'll show you how to do it. Haven's gonna help me out. Chop the onions, chop the garlic, put some bay leaf in it, put some calamansi juice, soy sauce, vinegar.
I don't think
Voila,
they can understand
we are
you.
good. What do you mean?
I don't think they can understand you.
I guess we're just gonna have to show them. See you guys upstairs in our kitchen. Hey, what's up guys? It's Heron. Welcome back. We are back in the kitchen. Whoa. What the hell happened to Haven? Hey, you're not Haven. So we are back now. I'm gonna show you the ingredients here. This is your pork belly. Yummy, yummy bacon belly. Look at all this fat. Look at this fat goodness. Okay, if you're on keto, it's actually pretty good. Okay, then we have the spare ribs pork. It's good for the taste because you have the bone in it. You have 4 cloves of garlic, half size of onion, you have bay leaf, you have the calamansi, soy sauce, and vinegar. Okay, so actually the secret to this pork adobo is However, how much amount of soy sauce is equal to the amount you would put with the vinegar. That's the secret. So go ahead and put the meat in it.
All of it?
All of it. Put the meat in it. Okay? You put the meat. You put your bay leaf. You put your onions. Put the garlic. The vinegar. Soy sauce. Black pepper. Calamansi. Okay, so now the other secret ingredient is however how much soy sauce or vinegar you put in, now you have to put half of that amount with water. Alright, so you put the water. Now all you have to do now is mix it. Go ahead, Haven, mix it. Okay, now you have to marinate it for half an hour. And then it'll be ready to go. Okay, so what we do now is we put the stove on high heat and we start cooking it. As you can see, it's all nice and brown now. So all we have to do now is turn it to medium heat and simmer it until probably about half an hour. Then we'll check it back. So half an hour later, this is what we have. If you can see, the meat is falling off that rib. I mean, it's looking good. See that? Yep. Right there. But we still have another probably about 15 minutes to reduce the sauce. I like my adobo to have little sauce, which will be good, because then if you have leftovers, that sauce will be thicker. You put that on some jasmine rice and you can just jazz it up. And we are done. So this is how it would look like. Juice has been reduced. Meat is falling off that rib. And we'll just set it up. Get ready for dinner. Get 2 ribs. Get some of that pork belly. Some of that juice. And there you have it. Hey guys, thank you for watching that video. As you can see, pork adobo is not difficult to cook. All you need are simple ingredients: vinegar, soy sauce, black pepper, bay leaves, and a little bit of water. You can cook it with pork, chicken, or you can mix it together. It's good stuff. If you like this video, click like and subscribe. We will upload new videos on Sunday.
You guys can comment of what you want us to cook, and we will try to cook that request as fast as possible.
Thanks guys, see you guys later. Peace out. Oh, get out. Ah, is that your channel? You got your own channel, live working dog. Delicious.
The most burnt
Modern.
plate.
What? It's
Most
not burnt.
plate.
No, it's not burnt. It's delicious. That chicken adobo. No, pork adobo. We're cooking pork adobo, dude. My bad. Filipino dish
Filipino.
ever.
Filipino.
That's what I said, Filipino.
You said Filipino.
No, I didn't say
said
that.
Filipino.
No, I didn't say that. Oh, I'm sweating now. Oh, it's hot in here. What are you doing? We're just collecting more bloopers here. Hey, what's up, guys? You're gonna be famous. We're gonna pay for your college. It is actually recording. Okay, we have 3 years to get 1,000 subs. Ready? It's pretty easy to cook. But why do I talk like that?